Namaskar students, good morning. So the students of class 4 be ready for the computer class. So today I will discuss working with Windows 7. So before start the chapter Windows 7, working with Windows 7, you have to know what is operating system. First you have to know what is operating system. SYSTEM. What is operating system? Basically, we can say an operating system is a program that runs the computer. That means it is a program with which a computer can run. And this operating system is known as the backbone of a computer. Backbone of a computer means computer at a মেরুদণ্ড বলা হয়. And one more thing, it manages both hardware and software. It manages both hardware and software. And third one, it interfaces between user and the hardware. INTERFACE, interface between user and hardware. So these are the basic things of the operating system. So again I repeat, what is operating system? Now operating system is a program that runs the computer system. Number two, it is called the backbone of a computer. Short, that means computer. It is called the backbone of a computer. It manages both hardware and software. Both hardware and software. As you know, hardware means the interior part of the computer. And software that we can't see, that are the software. So it will interlink between hardware and software. And next one, it interfaces between users and the hardware. So this is operating system. So in our surrounding there are different kinds of operating system here. Some of them are Windows, Linux, etc. These are the operating system with which a computer can run. So now we'll start about Windows. What is Windows? Windows. Basically it formed or it introduced or it produced in November 1985. In 1985 it was introduced. And Windows is most commonly used worldwide. It's most commonly used. It is most commonly used worldwide. That means in the whole world it is used in big in numbers. Number three, it's also GUI based OS. What is the full form of GUI? GUI means graphical user interface based OS means operating system. It is basically graphical user interface based operating system. And last, the most important point, it's also a user friendly operating system. user friendly operating system. So this is about the Windows. Now a Windows have many versions. A Windows have what? Many versions. Versions means typed. Continuously it has been updated. The Windows continuously been updated. So the versions are Windows 98, then 2000 Windows, then XP, then Vista. Like this was continuous going on. And the latest one is Windows 10. This is the latest version of Windows. Windows 10. Now this has been introduced. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10. So that is the introduction of Windows. Now you all know how to start a computer. Whenever you start a computer, a screen appears, and the first screen that appears, that is known as what? Now that is desktop. That is known as desktop. So all you know, this is called a smartphone or a mobile phone. So this was off. Whenever this was on, the screen that appears, that is called the desktop of a mobile. So in computer also the same thing happens. When you switch on the computer, the screen that appears first, that is called the desktop of a computer. Now a desktop has three important things. A desktop has three important things. Three important things. What are they? Number one, start button. Number two, taskbar. And number three is icons. So in next class I will discuss about this. Namaskar.